Namaste everyone, I am Avani Kashyap from Purna Pramati 7th grade. In Think Tank, last year we made a model of microscope where we learned more about leaves and botany. I have made a variation of that microscope model which is way too simpler. Here I am going to explain about light and reflections. Here I have kept a mobile torch and an aluminium foil inside a jar, a glass jar which is upside down. Here the glass jar is transparent, so the light can pass through it. The light which is traveling inside is going and falling on the aluminium foil, where the aluminium foil is reflecting the light to the leaf. When the light rays fall on a smooth surface and bounce back, it is called as reflection. That is what is happening here. Here, to observe, I have kept a leaf where I have kept two OHP sheets which is acting like a slide, and I am gonna make a really quick lens. I have kept an OHP sheet and punched it in the middle. I am gonna drop two droplets of water which is gonna act like a lens. I have put some droplets of water which is acting like a lens in this model. As you can see, because of the light reflection, we can observe the leaf venation easily using this. I've thought of a variation in this model. Instead of using aluminium foil, we can use any smooth metal utensil which helps us in reflecting the light. Let's try. I've kept a spoon here instead of the aluminium foil, as this is not covering the whole space, so we can see the reflection in the aluminium foil was much better than this. The leaf venation. Let's observe the leaf venation now. As we can observe, the leaf venation was looking much better before. This is what we learned in this video. Thank you.